in Vancouver and found a hotel, and we're rented a couple of bikes. They're pedal assist e-bikes. I'm gonna pedal around Stanley Park. So we got them at English Bay Rentals.
Yep.
And they're, I don't know, 20 bucks an hour or something like that. He said it should take like an hour and a half to get around the park.
If it rains, half hour.
And it's a little overcast and a couple of raindrops, but we'll give her a try here and see what happens. Huh? It's not too bad. Right on that beach where we looked at the sign. It said week of September 12th. Was that last week? Huh? What's that? You left.
Two thumbs up on Stanley Park.
Yeah, Stanley Park is really nice, and easy ride on the e-bikes.
It's all paved, pretty flat.
Yeah, nice
Pretty
and
easy.
flat and a little cool today, but it's okay. A couple of raindrops, no big
We
deal.
saw a seal swimming.
Yeah, lots of birds.
Yeah,
So
lots of
that was
people.
fun, and it took us, I don't know, hour and a half tops or so.
Yeah.
$66 for the 2 bikes for an hour and a half. So very fair price indeed. All right, on to the next thing. Adios.
Adios.